This yummy papaya, guys. It's so ripe. Not too ripe, but it's still hard a little bit. Look at all the seeds. This seed, you can eat the seeds for what? Good health. Please comment below because I don't know what to do with the seeds. I know I see some of the reels. Sometimes they say they swallow the 1 tablespoon of seeds. What that do to your body, I'm not sure. Isn't it like cause what is that? Like, I don't know. Let's eat some. Ayan, ang sarap niya, guys. Malaki yan, guys. So, malaki yan, oh, see. Malaki na papaya. Just cut it like that, guys. Kagatin ko, ha. First kagat. Ayan, first. Itong maliit lang. Malalaki, eh. Ayan, oh, kagatin ko yan. Let me see. Ang tamis, guys. Gawa tayo ng shake. O, pwede natin gawing ice cream yan, no? Ayan, no? Laki ng